Hi, this is my first entry for Liberty Jane clothing. So this is just what I drew up the other day. The theme is peacock feathers, because I love peacock feathers. So the hair of the doll would be like, not necessarily this length, but I thought it would look cute, and it just has a little peacock feather in it. If you go down to see the main look of the dress, it would have straps for the American Girl, obviously, because, I don't know, they don't really wear strapless dresses, but the color on top would be like a nice teal color. I don't know how well that color picks up on the camera, but, and then if you go down, you see it's sort of netted. It's like a purpley plum color, and then there's a bunch of peacock feathers within the skirt part of it. I tried to challenge myself and draw some high heels. they would look silly on an American Girl, but so obviously the girl would have flats, but it's a purple color, just like simple. The back of the dress, I think it would be cool to have like lacing, so like a ribbon that goes through, and I think again using the plum color would be nice, because then it sort of draws up what's below and brings it up to the top. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.